Alright, we're doing a deep penetration of the 44 mag Winchester, the semi-jacketed soft point. Information will be in the tree. And here we go. About 50 yards or so. And taking the shot. Alright, here we go. Deep penetration of the 44 mag into our Bohemian ballistics gel block. Alright, we have the first board in, smashing, going out. We have the second board into pieces. Little ballistics gel analysis for you. Kind of damage it's going through. We have the third board, and it's waffling, sawdust again. A little peek at what happened on the inside. Boom, boom. There you go. As it's going through, that's a big hole. And we actually flattened out on the fourth one. It pegged about a finger indentation into the fourth one, and there's your bullet. Looks pretty cool. It actually, whoops, it actually got it pretty good. So 3 boards, stopped on the 4th. 44 Magnum, deep penetration.